Good day, guys. You're welcome to Browse Text on YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn minimum of 2,000 naira on a daily basis via Palmpay Cash Pay program. In this program, you can earn minimum of 2,000 naira on a daily basis, and you can earn more depending on your capability and how serious you take the program. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and some of my results so far. You're welcome. You're welcome back. So in order to participate in this program, all you have to do is to download Palmpay app and open the app. So I'm going to provide you with the link to download the application and register in the description section of this video. Once you download the app, you're going to register with your mobile number. Use your valid phone number to register on the app. So once you register on the app, then you follow the instruction I'm going to give you right in this video. So in this program, you can earn minimum of 2,000 naira on a daily basis, and you can earn more. Even if you have the capability, you can earn up to 4,000, 6,000, 10,000 per day. So depending on how serious you take the program and your capability. So all you have to do is to check the description section of this video. I will indicate for you the link to download the app. So once you download the app, you register with your phone number and do the necessary verification. Once you're done doing the necessary verification, all you have to do is to open the app, which is the Palmpay app. Once you open the app, you will be redirected to the app homepage as shown here. Then all you have to do is to locate Cash Spray. Once you locate Cash Spray, click on Cash Spray. So once you click on Cash Spray, the app will load. Can you see this is Palmpay ATM? Then this is 2,000 naira. You click on withdraw cash. So once you click on withdraw cash, you'll be provided with three options, which is 2,000 naira, 1,000 naira, 5,000 naira. So they're giving you these options if the task required for the 2,000 naira, if you won't be able to fulfill the task, then you can lower it to 1,000 naira. The lower the amount you want to claim, that's the lower the task you're going to be required before you can have the ability to withdraw the money. So here I'm going to select 2,000 naira because I'm using 2,000 naira for this guide. So we're selecting 2,000 naira here. Can you see here? So I've been provided with 1,650 naira automatically. So as a new user that you are claiming this money for the very first time, all you have to do is to click on invite friends to claim. Once you click on this invite friends to claim, you'll be given the options to either share your link or copy link to clipboard. So here I'm going to use copy to clipboard. Then the link has been copied to my clipboard. Then I can now go to my social media and share the link. So all you have to do here is you will refer 4 people. So after referring 4 people, this money will be equivalent to 2,000 naira, and after getting to the threshold of 2,000 naira, you can now withdraw your money from this Cash Spray to your Palmpay balance, and from your Palmpay balance you can now withdraw the money directly to your bank account. The detailed step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your money from this application will be given to you in this guide. So before I started recording this video today, I have started one session before and I've completed, which is the one I used for you to demonstrate the withdrawal actions, how you can withdraw it. So I can, if I click on my earnings here, you will see the history here. So far I've been able to claim 22,000 naira. This is the 2,000 naira I claimed in the afternoon today, which is the one I'm going to use for you in showing you how to withdraw your cash from this Palmpay. So this means if you claim your 2,000 naira and you invite 4 friends before that day runs out, you can claim your money. So once you claim that 2,000 naira, you will still go back to that cash pre menu. Once you go back to that cash pre menu, once you complete one 2,000 naira and you claim it, then you are still going to be provided with another 1,650 naira. Then you still start referring friends. That's how it continues. Once you refer four friends, this money will be equivalent to 2,000 naira. You claim it, then you will still go back to cash pre and start another session. Once you start another session, another 1,650 naira will be given to you. Then you refer another friend to complete the 2,000 naira. Then once the 2,000 naira complete, you withdraw again. It continues like that. It continues like that till you get tired. And so if you can complete 2 or more rounds on a daily basis, you can do that, and you will be paid. So the next thing now is to show you how you can withdraw the money after which you've earned the money. So let's go. Before I walk you through how to withdraw your money from this PalmPay Cash Pre, don't forget the steps involved in getting started. So once you follow the steps I have demonstrated for you from the beginning, you click on Cash Pre, you click on withdraw cash, then you select 2,000 naira. Once you select 2,000 naira, you'll be taken to this page. Then click on invite friends. Once you click on invite friends, you're going to copy your invite link. Once you copy the invite link, that is the link you're going to share with your friends. That's the link you're going to share with your friends. And you can select WhatsApp to share directly to your WhatsApp friends inbox. You can select Facebook and other social media like that. So take note, only new friends will give you a reasonable amount of money. So if I told you that you will need to refer 4 friends, to complete the 2,000 naira. So that 4 friends should be new to PayPal. So if they are not new to PayPal, the amount you're going to earn for referring them is going to be very low, and it will not count that to that extent. So you need to invite new friends that haven't registered on the PalmPay before. And the 4 people required for you to complete your 2,000 naira is promo section. So normally you're supposed to refer 6 friends before you can complete the 2,000 naira, but right now they have reduced it to 4 people. So and as the case may be, maybe as time goes on they might reduce it to, let's say, 3, and they might also increase it back to 6. So get that at the back of your mind. So for now, if you refer 4 people as a new user, if you refer 4 people, you are going to get the 2,000 naira and you're going to be able to withdraw it. So now let's go to the steps involved on how to withdraw the money. So this is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your money from Cash Pre. Let's say you participate in Cash Pre. So I've shared my link today in order to accumulate 2,000 naira, so that I can be able to withdraw right in your presence, so that you'll be able to know how to withdraw your own when you get to the minimum of 2,000 naira. So once you get minimum of 2,000 naira in your Cash Pre, once you open your Cash Pre, at that moment you will get this congratulatory message: you have successfully claimed cash reward. So all you have to do is to click on check. And you will be redirected to the to your dashboard here, to your Cash Pre dashboard. So in case you don't have the opportunity to get the congratulatory message in the first place, all you have to do is to open your PalmPay app. Once you open your PalmPay app, you go to Cash Pre. Once you select Cash Pre, then you'll be taken to your Cash Pre dashboard. So any of the two. If you caught the congratulatory message, then you click on check. If you didn't caught it, then you go to Cash Pre, then you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it's loading. Can you see this is a notification? You have successfully submitted your 2,000 naira. So cash reward is processing. This may take up to 24 hours. So this is how it works. By tomorrow, this money will be transferred to my main balance on PalmPay. So if you check my earnings here, can you see I have been able to accumulate a whooping sum of 22,000 naira from this system alone. From this Cashpre alone, I have been able to accumulate a whooping sum of 22,000 naira, and this is the latest 2,000 naira that is processing after 24 hours. And it won't take 24 hours. Approximately it used to take 12 hours. By tomorrow morning, if I check this by tomorrow morning, the money should have been available in my PalmPay balance. So this is an example. Let me say, so let me click on back here. So once I click on back, so I go to notification. So can you see, this is Cashpre withdrawal sources. These are the withdrawal that have been successful in the past. This is money that I sent out. These are the one from Cashpre. So this, whenever the money is available in my balance, I will get the notification here, Cashpre withdrawal sources. Then once I get this, it means the money has been deposited in my PalmPay balance. Then I can now withdraw it to my bank account. If you want to withdraw the money to your bank account, all you have to do is to click on this me icon. Once you click on me icon, then you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you click on amount you want to send. Once you select the amount you want to send, then you click on next. Then can you see, you can now withdraw your money. If I should process this and click on withdraw, then the money will be sent to my bank account immediately. It's like just transferring from one bank to another. So that's how to withdraw your Cashpre earning and how to get it paid to your bank account. Thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day.